Have you ever used artificial intelligence to help you write code? According to a study by researchers at Stanford University, doing so may actually make your code more vulnerable to security breaches. The study, which used the Codex AI-based code generation system developed by OpenAI, and it involved 47 developers with varying levels of experience, found that those using the Codex system were more likely to produce incorrect and unsafe solutions compared to a control group. In fact, these programmers even believed their solutions were more advanced in terms of cybersecurity than those of the control group. But why might AI-assisted programmers create more vulnerable code? One possibility is that they may rely too heavily on the AI system, leading to a lack of thoroughness in their own code review process. Another possibility is that the AI system itself may not always generate the most secure code. So what can be done to address these issues? The Stanford researchers suggest creating mechanisms for analyzing AI-generated code and strengthening the default security settings in cryptographic libraries. They also recommend caution when using AI code generation systems, particularly for those with less experience. It's important to note that AI can still be a valuable tool for programmers, but it's crucial to use it responsibly and not rely on it blindly. As AI continues to advance, it will likely become even more integral to the software development process. However, we must remember that AI is just a tool, and the ultimate responsibility for the security and reliability of the code falls on the programmers themselves.